What's up guys, Alessandro here and welcome to this update video on a specific new altcoin, or let's say layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that is upcoming and that I have invested, of course, because it looks like that now more and more people are getting ready for the next big altcoin season. And layer 2s on Bitcoin, in my opinion, are not just altcoins, but more like projects to invest, because if they're going to be successful, then of course, not only the native token of that layer 2 will profit, but also Bitcoin. And that's why I think that here we're gonna have a nice win-win situation, because not only we can invest right now into a new upcoming Bitcoin layer 2 and also its token, but also this will be, of course, in benefit for Bitcoin itself. And you know, guys, that I'm always accumulating more Bitcoin with whatever gains I'm doing with altcoins. I'm always converting it into Bitcoin for the long term. Of course, if you're just hodling like me, then you're gonna have to face also bad times or sad times whenever the crypto market is entering into a bear market. But whenever we're coming back and we are entering again into a bull run, then of course Bitcoin is getting stronger, bigger, and of course also the value rises a lot, at least until now. Of course, everything is no financial advice, guys. I'm just sharing my own opinions, my own price predictions, and whatever I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space. And this is, of course, also valid for LayerBTC. And LayerBTC is a completely new layer 2 that is coming up on top of Bitcoin that I'm bullish. I'm in general buying always the layer 2s for Bitcoin, at least the coins whenever they're coming out. And hopefully we will get once a layer 2 that will be also running well. And here also they're gonna have their own native token as well. It is already mentioned in different crypto websites, this layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. And more important is, of course, that we're gonna get now this big altcoin season. And so far, this altcoin season has been delayed a lot, because we have seen Bitcoin, of course, going into new all-time highs and basically breaking completely all kind of structure. And now, in my opinion, most likely in the next coming weeks and months, we're gonna enter into this parabolic phase also for the altcoins, where we're gonna see new all-time highs on many altcoins. And that's why currently I'm buying also into new upcoming crypto projects. You can check them out here in the video description, here, new upcoming crypto projects. And also at the top here, you're gonna find the link to LayerBitcoin. And LayerBitcoin is also kind of an altcoin that is upcoming, and the good thing here is that really we can basically invest during the pre-market phase. We are currently in round 4. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's already round 5. The price keeps increasing here, the current price per token, and this is going to be the listing price on DEXs and exchanges once it is launching. So if everything goes well, then we can expect here also a nice launch of the coin and also a good project that we can invest in right now. Based on calculation, this should be like a 57x if you're buying right now, and at launch price it's going to be at 6 cents. That doesn't mean that you have immediately to sell, because if this coin is coming out and it's going to be successful, then of course we have very good chances that the coin will keep going higher and higher if somehow we're gonna have a big hype around those Bitcoin layer 2s. And that's why, guys, I keep you updated also on LayerBTC. I am bullish for this project, and of course I hope that everything will go well during the pre-market phase, and that also it's coming up in time at 6 cents, maybe during this next altcoin boom that in my opinion is about to come in the next coming weeks and months. Because if we're gonna get a big altcoin season, I don't think it's just gonna last for a few days. I think that the next altcoin season will last for a very long time, since we also had now a very long consolidation time, and we are basically all waiting for the big altcoin season to be starting. Once we see everywhere new all-time highs on most trending altcoins, then I think it's time, of course, to look at into those new coins like BTC here, this LayerBTC as well, next to the other cryptos, of course, that I'm buying. You can check them out all here in the video description, and of course LayerBTC is also here. So that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed, I keep you updated, of course, and remember to share this channel and this video with all your friends, guys. As soon as we are reaching 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna do the next giveaway, $100 giveaway worth of meme coins for you guys. The only thing that you have to do is to be active in this channel, commenting as much as possible in every video, and the more active I see you, the more likely it is that you're gonna be the lucky winner. It is also possible to win multiple times, guys, so supporting is always getting rewarded, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.